Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
MintSuite review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this software called MintSuite. So this is the MintSuite review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 3 minutes long. So we'll get back to the demo video later on. Right now on the sales page you have the discount coupon for $4, so don't use it and don't buy this. It says here, ClickFunnels Aweber without monthly payments. Create unlimited websites and funnels and send unlimited emails for unlimited profits, no monthly fees, and make money at the same time. As soon you claim that you will make money at the same time, then you are gone for good. So you will be taken down by me. You can have everything you need, funnels and unlimited emails. Replace all those expensive monthly blood suckers with a one-time payment and save this much per year. Save this much year by telling Aweber and get response to go to hell. Okay. I'll just go and chat with them and tell them go to hell. And who will transfer me these $4,500 then? I don't know who will give me this money. Okay. Cancel your ClickFunnels subscription now. I'm not using it anyway. Cancel your Aweber subscription for now, and commercial license included. Keep 100% of the money from offering MintSuite to friends, family, clients, and business. Offering this to friends, family. Is it some kind of Christmas sweet, dessert, some dinner, some breakfast? What are we offering to our family and friends? It must be some pastries, Christmas pastries, right? Okay, this is garbage, by the way, to start with, and this is their profile, and look at the rating of the vendor. This might be a new launch or old launch, I don't really understand, but the rating is 1.4 out of 5. Okay, so around 1.5 stars out of 5, and everything is screaming here right now that do not buy me in bold letters. Okay, so this is the profile of the creator of this course, of the software. And it's 1.5 out of 5, which speaks for itself that do not buy. So I don't have to carry on doing any of this. However, the reason I'm recording this video is so that I can inform you about the actual method which makes money, and that is affiliate marketing to start with. That's one method, but again you need to go and check out these links below my video. And the first method says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is like currency pairs, so Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. So when these when the prices of these two currencies go up and down, when some currency increases, some goes down. So whatever the fluctuation in between them is, we need to utilize the price movements to take our profits. And we do not have to understand any of what I just said, because all of this will be done on automation by using the software. Here you will see, and this is already working. You can see here some trades happening here, some into this account. This is AUD USD, and this one is NZD, New Zealand USD. You can see here, right? And yeah, so this keeps happening in the back end. You can probably see where maybe this account. Okay, so here you see this trade here, then these trades here. So these trades right here you see. So all of this is working on autopilot without me doing anything. All I am doing is making my normal YouTube videos, and this thing is working on my virtual computer. So this which you see here, this is another virtual computer on which all of this whole setup is set up, right? If you are interested in doing this automation and making money with this, then you will have to go through the training, the first link here, and this training will help you to understand exactly what I'm talking about, and then you can try this method yourself as well. And the second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do affiliate marketing using YouTube, and you will have to bring traffic to your affiliate offers, otherwise you will not get sales. Okay, so you could have a beautiful website, you could have a very good offer, or you might have something to sell as your service or product. But if nobody knows who you are, nobody finds your offer, then you will not get sales, you will not make money. So what you can do is you can go and get Traffic Jarvis and come on YouTube, make videos into any niche, and then ask people to check out your product below your videos. And that is how you can get free traffic, okay? Plus, you can get your YouTube channel monetized with Traffic Jarvis. You will be able to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only. and then get your YouTube channel monetized and make money on YouTube using some YouTube ad revenue as well, right? So for affiliate marketing, traffic Jarvis. For forex trading on autopilot, check the first one. And we'll talk about all these links in detail. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, then you can click on the super thanks button. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do that. Let's get back to MintSuite here. Let's waste some time quickly. So it's all garbage. You will not get anything useful if you go and waste your money on this. They're talking about that you will get some page builder, funnel builder, and in the demo video, I did not see any funnel builder. In the demo video, they're only talking about sending emails with their some lame autoresponder, which will not work, okay? And we will also give you, I will also give you an alternate free autoresponder and funnel builder, which you can use for lifetime if you want to. So keep watching the video and I will show you that link in a moment. Okay, still questions. Will I have to pay any maintenance fees? No. Can I get support? Yes, they say you can, but I am saying you will not get any support from them. How many funnels can I create? Unlimited. Can I get a refund? They say you can, but I'm saying you can't. How do I know you are not going to disappear in 2 months? That is an honest question. We depend on all three of these services ourselves, three of these. Okay, for all our files, this and that. I'm feeling sleepy actually. I don't want to read all this. So they are scammers, nothing more. That's the word. And let's get to the demo video here. Now let me play the demo video. So in this demo video, they're only talking about how to set up your autoresponder, how to import your lists here. And this is a very basic, bad looking, ugly autoresponder interface. And it has got no credibility and your emails will never get delivered anywhere. Even if this works, your emails will go to spam. So stay away from this madness. Don't waste your time. Don't waste my time. Okay. And what do we have here? So if I fast forward this, this is a simple thing. You have to add your address if you are creating a list. Okay. Save your list. If you have an existing list, then you can go and import it, I guess. And yeah, import subscribers if you have an existing list. And cold marketing does not work. There's no autoresponder for cold email marketing. Your emails will either be delivered to spam or they will never be delivered. Plus your IP address will be blacklisted and your hosting provider will send you an email that we are suspending your hosting account as well in case you're using your own WordPress or website hosting. Okay, so test 10 subscribers. Yeah, 10 subscribers, fine, it can get delivered, but you're not gonna survive by sending 10 emails only, right? Okay, so that's all. Then this is your template to design the email. So if you want, either you can send plain text emails, or you can open this editor. And yeah, so this is, what is this? This is some kind of page builder, is it? Or is it just a template builder? It's only a template builder, okay? So, you can have colorful emails with images. And this video is all about autoresponder, and I'm telling you with my experience, the autoresponder is not going to work. And just don't waste your time. I have shown you their ratings already. If you don't believe me, believe on your own eyes. 1.4 stars out of 5 is not accepted into any online marketing. Okay, so don't buy. That's all I have to say. Then we have some OTOs, I guess. Where are those OTOs? Let's take a look. I didn't even care to log in into the dashboard actually. I think they have the review access, but I didn't care to log in, and I will not log in. I will not waste my time. Front end, OTO 1, this and that, because I do not. I have a confusion here because I think this is an old launch, and maybe they're just relaunching it. But here I can see people are promoting it today. For example, you go to contest here, and you will see a lot of scammers. You see all these scammers are promoting this product, and that means it could be an old launch, but again, these people are pushing it, so it's better to save money for you guys if you're watching this video. Okay, let's get back here. Let's get to the job, Sam. The job is that I am rejecting all these products. Okay, I have a choice here. I could go and become some scammer and ask you to go and buy from my bonus page below and put some bonuses into your pocket, and then you can walk away with you can walk away with my bonuses, and I can walk away with your real cash. I can do that business if I have to, but I'm not doing that because I have skills which can make me money without scamming you. Okay, and it's pretty difficult to find such people with such skills who can make money online with honesty, with integrity, without cheating people. Okay, I'm such an example, rarely. Okay, so if you really want to make money, especially using my methods, you can go below my video. Methods are in public. Click on the first link below here, and you will be taken to this page which says unlock the syndicate. So enter your email, enter your name, click on this button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verify the email, then you will be taken to a video. Watch the video, take action. Okay, Traffic Jarvis, I have told you how to make money with that thingy called YouTube affiliate marketing, right? So do check out that, whatever your interest is. And let me see one thing here, the last one. Right, okay, so this is my real account, you can see here, and I can show the data of my real account right here. So you can see the gain percentage. So it's a very small account I started. Right now, in last 2 days, I have made this kind of money. So yesterday I made $18. Okay, to be very specific, yesterday I made $18 just by trading 1 hour in my real account. And if I show you my demo account, which will be right here. So in my demo account, you can see the total profit is $543. Out of $543, yesterday I made $281 on a $1,000 account, which is a demo account. Okay, but it doesn't really matter, because what matters is are you really making profits? Because once you have done enough testing in the demo account, after that you can put in your real money in the real account, and you can replicate the results of your demo account into the real account. Okay, and it takes learning. So when you go to this training, you will have to learn everything. It's not going to be rocket science. Everything can learn it. I have made it newbie friendly. Everything step by step. I have explained how to set up everything, how to set up the software and stuff like that. So, and plus you can chat with me on Skype for support, for questions. Okay, because you will need support with this method. This is a new method. Not everybody is doing it. So you will definitely have a lot of questions. You will have to contact me, and I'm available on Skype. So in case you're interested, go and check this out. Stay away from the madness, okay? Stay away from this madness of Warrior Plus. Let me show you. Where's the website again? Stay away from this pathetic website, okay? Stop buying things from this Warrior Plus, all right? Improve your decision-making skills. You can do better in your life. Just don't buy anything from this Warrior Plus, okay? Even if I sell you something on this website, just don't buy anything from me either, right? So go below the video, check out couple of methods which actually makes money. The first one is on automation. After you go through the training, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing here. Rather, this software is working on its own. I will go to sleep tomorrow morning. This software will give me some profits. Okay, so it works in the back end on autopilot. I don't have to touch anything. And if you go and do affiliate marketing, you want to make YouTube videos and you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, and you want to explore affiliate marketing or maybe master it, go and get Traffic Jarvis. Okay, in the end, subscribe here, like, dislike, whatever your mood is, press the bell thingy. It's all free here. And now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.